Good day, Flutter developer. Have you ever opened an app and felt something was off? Pages jump abruptly, screens feel rough and disconnected, and the overall experience just doesn't flow. This jarring effect increases cognitive load, making the app feel clunky and unprofessional. Now, imagine that same app, but this time, every interaction feels smooth, natural, and alive. Screens glide into place, elements transform gracefully, and the entire journey feels intuitive. That's the power of well-crafted page transitions and visual effects. They bridge the gap between screens, creating a seamless and engaging narrative for your users. Today, we're diving deep into page transitions and visual effects in Flutter. This is where we learn the techniques that elevate good apps into truly great, memorable user experiences. We'll move beyond static screens and learn to build dynamic, responsive interfaces that feel polished and professional. And this isn't just about aesthetics. Thoughtful animations can increase user engagement by up to 50%. Why? Because they provide feedback, guide attention, and make interactions more satisfying. Yes, motion stowing shelters, shots motion truly matters. In this lecture, you'll learn how to create smooth standard page transitions, implement powerful hero animations for shared elements, and finally, build user-friendly forms that guide users effectively. By the end, you'll have a solid toolkit for bringing your app's UI to life. At their core, page transitions improve navigation and guide users through your app's flow. Flutter makes this easy right out of the box, giving us built-in transitions using the Navigator widget and the Page Route class. A simple call already includes a platform adaptive transition. The most common transitions include fade, slide, scale, and rotation. Each one tells a different visual story. A fade can signify a change in context, while a slide suggests a hierarchical relationship between screens. Choosing the right one is key to intuitive design. But what if you need more control? That's where comes in. This powerful class lets you build a completely custom transition from scratch. You can define the exact animation style, set a specific duration, and even apply custom easing curves to control the animation speed. For example, instead of a linear motion, you can use it with something like, this makes the animation start slowly, speed up, and then end slowly, which feels much more natural and organic to the human eye. It's these small details that create a high-quality feel. Now let's talk about one of Flutter's most iconic features, hero animations. These create a seamless shared element transition, where a widget from one screen appears to fly and transform into its new position on the next screen. They make your app feel incredibly connected and polished. To implement one, you just wrap the starting and ending widgets with a widget and give them the same tag. Flutter handles the rest. But be careful. A common pitfall is using non-unique tags, which will cause errors. Always ensure your hero tags are unique for each active transition. Of course, transitions aren't just for navigating between full pages. Forms are where some of the most critical user interaction happens. Think login, registration, or filling out a survey. The user experience here is paramount. Using flutters and widgets, along with built-in validation logic, is essential. This ensures that users enter correct data before they can proceed. Clear, real-time feedback for errors prevents user frustration. We can enhance this further with animation. When form elements appear smoothly with a subtle fade or slide, users feel guided through the process, not overwhelmed by a sudden wall of input fields. This makes filling out the form feel less like a chore. As you work on your projects, think about these key questions. 1. When does an animation genuinely improve the user experience versus becoming a gimmick? 2. How can you use hero animations strategically to reinforce your app's brand identity? And 3. In a complex multi-step form, how would you use transitions to make it feel effortless for the user? Mastering transitions and visual effects is a game changer. It's what separates a functional app from a delightful one, transforming your projects and setting them up for success. See you in next lecture.